Hi, anything you want to have in your life, whether it is good, bad, or ugly, you have to give back something to the society, is the law of nature. When you take something, you have to give back something. So when you deny yourself sex with lot of love and affection, you will feel a sense of satisfaction. For example, when some of your friends are having some problem and you help them out, you get a satisfaction, you feel something nice in your heart. That's your inner conscience. That feeling of some kind of fulfillment is what makes you happy. This is exactly is what happens when you share, when you give others, you feel that kind of total satisfaction. There are many men and women who have not experienced sex, not only in the East but also in the West, due to their own fears, due to their own shyness, due to their own denial. I would not say denial is great. Denial up to a certain age of you settling down in your life. We may say, who is bothered? I will settle down. First, let me enjoy. No. First, you should know whether you deserve to enjoy this. Then only you can enjoy. You all remember the late President John F. Kennedy said, please don't ask what the country can do for you. Please tell me what you can do for the country. Similar situation. You deny when you are young, when your body has not grown to its full potential. When you are ready at the age of 18 for the girl and 21 for the boy, you have denied at the prime, then financially you will be strong, you will be able to earn and take care of your wife and children, the byproduct of your beautiful sex life. You will have all the money for that. I'm not talking of the very, very poor or the very, very rich. I'm talking of the middle class. The one who work, come up, want to enjoy everything and lead a normal life. So, there are many male and female who have not seen the pleasures of sex. It's a great feeling, but it should be enjoyed. There is a saying, you pluck a fruit from the tree when it is raw, it wouldn't taste good. But if it falls down on its own when it's totally ripe, it's very tasty and very sweet. Think on this. Denial is a pleasure. When you deny something and practice it, you will be able to understand the value of denial and the flow of the inner strength which rises in your system, the gut feeling of you having achieved something, your confidence, your total belief in yourself will rise, and then you feel, yes, I can achieve and do it.